Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size of menu items in Wix. This is a simple customization that can make your website's navigation more readable and better suited to your overall design aesthetic. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. When you click this, a drop-down selection will appear with various options for managing your site. From this drop-down menu, you'll be able to preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment here to make sure that this is the correct website where you want to change the font size on your menu. If you manage multiple sites, this quick check can save you time and ensure you're editing the right one. Now from this page, locate the Edit Site button. You'll typically find this at the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway to customizing the visual elements of your website. Click on it to proceed to the editing interface. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the customization happens, and the process from here is pretty straightforward. On your website preview, locate the menu you wish to change the font size on. This is most commonly found at the top part of your website, in the header area. Click on the menu to select it and you'll notice that new options appear once it's selected. After selecting your menu, you'll see a Layout button appear in the editing panel. Click on this Layout button and then click on Customize Design. This opens up a menu design window where you can adjust various visual aspects of your navigation menu. In the menu design window, click on Text. This is where you'll find all the typography controls for your menu items. You'll see a font size slider that allows you to adjust the size of the text. Simply drag this slider left to decrease the font size or right to increase it. As you move the slider, you'll see the changes reflected in real time on your menu, making it easy to find the perfect size that balances readability with your design preferences. And that's it. You've successfully changed the font size of your menu items in Wix, giving your website's navigation a customized look that fits your vision. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.